management actually has to do with building product, building your product, adding content, testing your ideas, then building, then you launch, then you post launch, you get feedbacks, you iterate, and you go over and until that product is tired. So, me saying what AI, I think it's really good. Just frank. Because that is what we usually show us. Just like that's what we usually show us in movies. So, Craft 2022, we now found out that there's more to the hardware that we have the software part of AI. It's my next slide. Okay. So, it's true. That moment where you realize that every product manager is actually a AI manager, product manager. Not just product management. They are designer. So, anyone like, believe me that whatever things you are doing, you're actually using AI to do that, like your skill set or whatever. You are actually using it, integrating or using AI to ease your workflow and make it expensive. So that is it. So it's not just product management. Whatever skill set as far as tech is concerned, and any professional skills concerned, you're actually an AI professional. So next slide. Okay. So my outline, I'll maybe just talk about the brief overview of AI, and I'll also talk about Gen AI and the role of AI in product management, how product management can use AI and improve products, best practices when integrating AI, and then we'll just cover some real life examples. Next slide. So I'm just going to talk about this. Like I said, because AI has robots and those other kind of things. But then there is more to that physical side of AI. So we have machine learning. We all know machine learning. So it's focused on working algorithms here. Every computers and machines to learn patterns, make predictions and decisions. So you train a particular set of data, that data makes predictions, it makes decisions and all of that. We also have the natural language processing. So this is, I know we heard about what is language, what is learning a language, a foreign language, where's that app like? It's a popular app, I receive ads of problem. So that's an example of natural language processing. So it's the interaction between computer and the human language, which enables us to understand, interpret, and generate human text and speech. So we also have neural networks. So these are computational models inspired by functions and the structure of human brain. So that's not like similar to human brain, but then they are connected by the form of nodes, which we call neurons, which are like interlayers to process and access information. So we also have this deep learning. It's a subset of machine learning. So it's a small part of machine learning, which involves neural networks, like what we call inspiration for human. They are also known as deep neural networks, which allows the model to learn hierarchical representations and patterns from that data. Also have robotics, as I mentioned earlier, on my slide, the hardware intersection of the hardware intersection between computer science and the AI, which deals with the design, construction, operation, and the loop of robots that interact with our physical world. And then lastly, we have the computer vision, which is focused on helping machines detect images, detect object recognition, and all of that. Next slide. What Gen AI comes from the word generates AI. So I mentioned some subsets of AI. So if generative AI, you don't have AI on its own. So it works with the specific of AI that's able to generate new content. Like something that's able to create something new. And whether it is text, image, music, or even code. So now generative AI leverages various AI technology, which include deep learning. And I mentioned about deep learning earlier on. So if you use that to remember what And so, ChatGPT is an example of like an early example of generative AI. So we before ChatGPT came, generative AI had been way back. So these are image coming from so generative AI, like I said, existed long before ChatGPT came into existence. So you can see its early beginnings from the year 2014 when generative AI got its start to image generative actually not like generative AI, generative artificial network now. And then in 2017 you see that the attention that Google got to paperwork to create the learning language models, the large language models we have today. That's been started by Google in the year 2017. And in 2017 we also had another paper which introduced what is called a transformers model, which quickly became the go-to architecture for a wide range of natural language processing. So this paper was like a blueprint to the natural language processing models we see today. And then 2018 we have the large language models leveraging the transformer and the first leveraging the transformer from 2017. And then the first large language model appeared as OpenAI as they invented their GPT-1, which is their generative pre-trained transformer. And then Google also generated hers, which was the bidirectional electron representation from transformers. And then in 2022, when OpenAI, ChatGPT were doing their stuff, they now just released that one because they're still working on the testing on it. And so 2022 was when they actually launched their ChatGPT powered by GPT-3.5. ChatGPT are on 102. Okay, next slide. Okay, so now we're able to have walked us through the big model of AI and what are generative AI and how generative AI came to play in the industry. First, we know that AI plays in product management. So one you can see that it helps us analyze and summarize data with AI. So data analysis, big data, not only attached to data science, analysis, even marketers, like digital marketers, they also follow analytics, they look at data to data. So something goes as well for product management. So instead of them sitting down together to try to go through that set of data, try to speak inside. So you can actually use AI to do this process because AI enhances this process by machine learning algorithms to pick out pattern recognition and recognize trends in data sets. So if a user is using your product for instance and you want to get a particular insight, you want to see which feature are they using the most and all this kind of stuff. And then you get a large data set from the screen time and display with AI to be able to streamline that process. And we also have creating automation documentation with AI. So as product manager, we usually come up with documents like from PRD, MVP release, product release, launch and all this stuff. So you can actually create all this documentation from user personnel AI. Just all you need to do is just to have your prompt, know what you want to do, write it down, and then input it to the AI, and then the AI help automate key processes. Because things move quickly, and at the same time, that you need to anybody. So the time you need to use to try out this experiment, see if it's going to work or it's going to work out. You can actually use it. It's AI technology that enables more information or automation rather. And like what PMs automate process like A/B testing, new features and also integrate it easily when using your product analytics. So like I said before, like every designers, developers, marketers, the stakeholders, everything is just on our own rather. We won't be able to make it. So when you see an AI as a product manager, and even as whatever skill set you are using, you need to have your own, you need to have the knowledge of what you actually want to do. Like if you're a product manager, yes, AI can help you streamline and help you make you work efficiently and faster. But then if you don't have a good business sense of how am I going to make money from this particular product I am building, how do I get ROI to my organization and all of this stuff. And if you're not user centric, if you just want to just get up one morning and say you want to do this feature and then come to it, and then you now use AI, and you know that, and how many of us believe that, you know this word GIQ, garbage in, garbage out. So it's what you give AI. It's like whatever it is you give AI. You're not always about it. Whatever it is you give AI, you give it back to you. So if you don't make your own research, you don't know what you are doing, like you just go there and just straight back. You'll be surprised at the outcome you're going to see. You see this developers here, they do funny things. You see things that you are not done. Okay, next slide. So I'm working on best practices. So I'm working on two AI UX best practices. We all know what UX means, user experience. So if you like, as many of us built, as many of us have a product before, and then at the end of maybe you wanted something, and then you go to Google, check out some keywords, or you go to Play Store or Apple Store and then look for something, and then you download an app, or maybe you try out the website, and then what you find at the end of those you are looking for, you just see it. How many of us have gone to that experience? Like you have to that, you just say, I'm not going to spell, just install the app for my phone, or just delete the account. I've gone through that, right? So that's called user experience. That was a bad UX. That was because you didn't get what you want. And because of that, that's called in marketing, I've got my friends called churning. Number of people that stop using your product over time. So in order for you not to have that in your product, and then when you are trying to integrate AI into your product, here are the best practices you are supposed to do as a builder. All of us are builders. So I think that's yes. So number one is onboard. For instance, when you try out a new website or a new app, have you seen all those stuff to tell you that after you have signed in or you have signed up to open an account, they will show you these cards that you really want to take a tour around or what the website and app was. And then you see that on screen, the different thing I'm like, you're able to touch this button, this is what's going to happen. Yeah. So because that really helps users when it's acting with your product. Because if that stuff is not there, you don't know what they did, and then you just see the product, you don't be confused, and all the time. Not everybody wants have fun your AI, not train not train your model with what do you call it, maybe body shaming, all this kind of stuff. You should always be transparent with your data so that your users will not feel biased. Not feel like they need to understand. You can see it. Okay. So we have to feel graceful. Now you see that guy here. You feel, but added the graceful. You're supposed to smile. Not smile. Okay, so what that feel graceful actually means is that when you're actually using an generative AI, let's say for instance, maybe I know that these days AI cannot actually. Okay, there are some AIs that can generate images. They're not all. Maybe you see that you want an image of a house, pink, pink door, and just give some specifications. And then at the end of the day, the AI I don't know it can be more than images. Maybe you put some information into the AI, and then the AI will tell you that I am sorry, I cannot do this. I don't know if you ever come across such scenario. The AI will tell you that sorry, I cannot do it. Just like AI is being trained and all this stuff. But then this is what it can suggest for you to try out. That's what progress means. It means that you train your AI model. And even though your AI model is not going to be 100% perfect, like I said, at least you should be able to, even though it can't perform what it's being told to perform like a computer, but it's supposed to suggest, it's supposed to admit that it's failed as a model, and then suggest and then give you real life scenario and then offer out solutions to the problems that it's created or and then the last one will provide value. You know, even as Gemini, ChatGPT, what is that AI, Claude AI, they are all out there. But at the end of the day, we still go back to this generative AI. Because even though they are mentioned, this is very value. At least this is very value to them. I know you can share your stories. I think I share it. And even though it has all its flaws and everything, at the end of the day, we still go back to it because it provides value for us. So at the end of the day, as you are using an AI model, you're able to provide value, something of value, and make your users want to come back to it and use it more and more. So my last. Okay, so the magic design on Canva, the latest AI magic is the latest innovation where you see the artificial intelligence transform design innovation. When you just like casting, where you just go there and then tell the AI that okay, I want to do a presentation about cooking. So suggest slide and then create a slide. You don't have to put your content. And so you have to promise create a slide. Yes, magic design. So that's part of the latest AI we can see down on Canva. We also have Spotify. So we know what is Spotify. We see that DJ mix.
Yep. It's whack.
It's whack.